Hello, welcome back to City West Commercials and another new truck stock video. All the trucks in this new truck series are in stock and available for immediate delivery anywhere in the country. If you're looking for something a little bit special, look no further than this fabulous ACTROS L 2553 LS GIGASPACE with a ULEZ compliant 530 horsepower engine. With a full paint finish in metallic silver, Durabright alloy wheels, factory fitted PTO, air horns on the roof, fridge and twin air suspended leather seats. We have an in-cab axle load measuring device, 490 litre alloy fuel tank with the integrated steps, 3 additional work lights mounted to the back of the cab, extended catwalk, sliding fifth wheel and lead up ramps. There's a link below this video to full details of this truck, or visit citywestcommercials.co.uk for more information. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and we look forward to seeing you next time.